Here's an introduction to the HeroCamper kitchen. When opening the kitchen door, remember to engage the red safety lock. If you're using the gas stove, always use the flame shield. Place both burners in their correct positions. Make sure the cast iron grate sits in the 2 marked slots. Turn the knob to high flame and press down to activate the spark igniter. The gas bottle is located at the front. A red indicator means the gas is on. Green means it's off. If you need more counter space, place the extra tabletop on the drawer by the sink. The magnets underneath will hold the tabletop in place while driving. To fill the water tank, use the small key. Flip up the faucet and you're ready to draw water. Note that there is no grey water collection tank, so place a small bucket under the drain beneath the camper if needed. The cooler switches between fridge and freezer by pressing both arrows at once. The same buttons are used to set the temperature. Press the safety button to close the drawer. On the control panel, you can operate the kitchen lighting, including brightness and colour. There are also 2 power outlets, usable when the camper is connected to power. The lower one is a 12-volt outlet. Before driving, make sure to pack away the gas stove again, and remember to turn off the gas at the front. When closing the kitchen, it is very important to press the red safety lock. Close the kitchen door and secure it with 2 firm clicks.